Hey guys, I know I have not made video in a while, but hey, move away. She's so bad. Stop it. Look, she like to attack them. Stop it. The good thing is that they know their way back home. Is the other one right there? I know it's a little filthy, but I got to keep them inside because of this lady right here that she doesn't like to share with nobody. Pretty soon they're all gonna be inside chicken coop once I make it bigger, but in the meantime they're inside the house. Well, anyway, talk to you guys later.